So these are the two items I fixed for a customer, my friend Tyler. Rosemary and the witch spirit ball. So, Rosemary, she needed a new motor for her lunging, and then she also needed her head to be fixed. So the head had like a problem with like it staying upright because it was like snapped inside or whatever. And then this needed a new motor for the mouth, and I also replaced the belt for the movement, which I didn't really have to, but I did it anyway. But because it was a little bad, but it has a fresh one now. So, and yeah, they both fully work now, so I guess I'll play them. Start with her. Jeez. Okay. She lunges really far. Oh my god. Well, obviously, the lunging works way better now, because if you saw that worked really well. Oh my god. But yeah, and also if you guys are wondering, this is a rare 2013 model too. It says it on the tag. And it's also 2013 box, so yeah, it's 2013. And 2013 adapter that says Poo Up Zombie. What the heck. But yeah, here this is, you know what, I'm gonna get an adapter here and just put on adapter so it can be at full power. So you guys can like see the mouth working good. Okay, here it is. You can see it works really well. And then, hold on. Here it is on batteries. They're a little low, but you can see that the mouth works really well. Let's see. It basically goes all the way down. It's just the batteries are low. But yeah. Play it one more time. Oh, yeah, it does that. The hair got stuck in the belt. It's because the fabric's not on it, but yeah, it's out now. Okay. No, it did not break. It's just, I'll show it. See? It gets stuck in the fabric. But, whatever. But yeah, that's those two, so thanks for watching, and bye.